What do you do if the defendant or its insurance company won't pay you in a truck crash? Well, you need to stand up for your rights. And many times these trucking companies are big national companies, and they want to minimize recovery or deny recovery to you. And they'll think up a million ways not to pay you. But you got to remember that every truck that's on the road has to have $1 million in insurance. There are many federal regulations and state regulations governing trucks. Trucks travel billions of miles a year on our roads. They weigh 30 to 70,000 pounds, and they can injure or kill folks in other cars. And there are specific rules of the road and safety rules with which the truck driver has to abide, or they can injure or kill people. It's very serious. We read about them every day in the news. They're all over our news feeds. They're on the TV news. We hear about these sad, tragic cases because the trucks have an amazing amount of force. Force equals mass times acceleration. They have a huge amount of mass, and they can really injure folks. So if they're not paying you for your claim, you need to stand up for yourself. You need to document it with the claim representative from the trucking company. You need to send emails or letters. These are my damages. Here's my property damage. Here's my wage loss damages. Here's my medical bills. Here's what I have for pain and suffering. This is how this has affected my life. We need to do something about that. And a claims adjuster for the trucking company may use many excuses or reasons not to pay you, and you need to stand up for that. They may say the truck didn't hit you. Well, we win cases when people aren't hit all the time. An impact isn't necessary. You don't know which truck driver it was. Well, you know that it was on X highway at this time on this date. There's only so many of them that there are. And if you know the name of the company after the incident, even if they hit and run you, you need to write that down. We have videos and information on what to do after a car crash. So write that down. It's a CRST, it's a Swift, it's a JB Hunt, it's a CR England, it's this, that, or this company. You get the numbers you can, the DOT numbers off the back, and you know the date and time. You can Google them, you can call them up and complain about it right then, or send them an email. I was just shoved off the road, I crashed into something or something. If they did appear at the case and did own up to it and you know their information, then that's great, you can do that. So but remember, don't buy into the bogus defenses that are put up in your case. It's you're really contributory at fault. You can't get damages for wage loss damages because you have sick pay and they paid you. You can't get damages for your medical because your health insurance paid it. There's a million bogus reasons why they try to deny your claims or try to minimize your recovery. So much so that we did a book on it. It's on the website, burgerlaw.com. I'm Gary Berger. My firm is Berger Law. I'm going to give you my other information at the end of this video. But here we have all these reasons and all these ways that the trucking companies try to deny your claims. We have all these on page 17. You have rights also as a claimant, and they have regulations with which they have to abide to adjust your claim. So there's a million reasons why they try to not pay you. If you don't want to handle your case on your own, and if they're wrongfully denying you, come to me, Gary Berger. I'll help you. If trucking companies and insurance companies treated everybody fairly, they wouldn't need lawyers. And no one gets in a truck crash and says, not only did this happen to me, not only do I have these injuries, I also have to fight the trucking company, hire a lawyer, go through all this. No one wants to do that, but you only have one opportunity to recover in this claim. And you need to make sure you're fully compensated and do the best you can to get fully compensated. So call me at 314-542-2222. In Illinois, we're at 618-272-2222. Our toll-free number is 866-599-2222. Go to burgerlaw.com. We can help you. Thank you.